Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you what's inside this Intermountain Railway Kit. It is a ACF Type 27 riveted tank car, 10,000 gallons, Shippers Car Line Corporation, and I got this as a trade for another car. So here we have the tank and the tank underframe, 2 pieces. Here we have the tank dome, 1 piece. We've got a lot of assorted parts, mixture of handrails, tank holders, and other stuff. We've got our wheels with screws. We've got our handrails for the tank that go on the tank. We've got the tank frame. We've got the undersill with the braking system in it. We've got our trucks, which we have to assemble ourselves. Some decals, parts to the dome. Now it looks to be around it. We've got the instructions. Oh, we've got more decals, instructions. That's it. No wait. Seriously?